Hello everyone, this is 𝐏𝐤𝐴 and welcome back to the channel. So today also we are here with some more opportunities, right? So again we have 4 opportunities for you all. So all the links will be given in the description. तो यार अगर तुम्हें फटाफट देखना है, but please see the video so that you will are able to understand कि कौन सा batch and all है and क्या क्या requirements है, right? So we will discuss those things. But before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe this channel as well as press the bell icon so that you will be notified first when we upload our new videos. Okay, so let's start. So the first opportunity we can see that is from the Merkel. So this is a very good company and they are hiring for interns, software design engineering interns, and which they are preferring is Java, right? So this batches allowed a 2022 batch and 2023 batch. And let's see the job description. So basically, what are the qualifications? So let's see the job description. So basically, I have seen like maximum people are working in Java only when they get internship through Merkel, right? And qualifications are you should be a good problem solver and good knowledge of computer fundamentals. You should at least have good knowledge of at least 2 programming languages, and yeah, you should also know how to build the APIs and all. तो वो सब तुम्हें आनी चाहिए. And yeah, they have 100% full-time conversion ratio. So if I talk about the stipend, so according to the last year, my friend was having internship in this company only, so he was having around 10 to 15k stipend. And if we talk about full-time package, so it's around 7 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Okay, so this is all about Merkel. And yeah, you all can go and check out the eligible batches of 2022 and 2023, right? Because it is an intern wala part. So let's see the next opportunity, and it's from the HackerRank. They are again hiring for SD internship, which will be for July to December. And this time there is no criteria for the batches, that is you have to be 22 batch or 23 batch. All batches can apply, that is 21, 22, 23, 24, whatever batch you are, you can apply. Only you should be a good problem solver and all. So let's see so I guess you have understood about the batches. Let's see how to apply and what are the steps. So basically, first you have to create the resume from their website only. So it's given, you have to go and create your resume, then you have to upload your resume, and don't apply through LinkedIn because it's strictly warned that you are not going to apply through LinkedIn. You have to apply through your resume only. And if you have a GitHub profile, then you can create your summary of your profile, and then you will be given some sort of programming test in HackerRank. So you have to perform that thing, and the further process will go on, right? So it will be a 6-month internship. It is a paid opportunity, and if you have the skills, then you can apply for this. And yeah, one more thing for the HackerRank, as it is an SD internship, so you will be asked mostly about the dev part, that is development part will be asked in the interviews. They have one more opportunity, that is technical content engineer. So that is more related to DSA in interviews, but in this case maximum part will be for the development part, that is interviews will be mostly of development. So you should have a good development part, but still everyone should apply. If you have a good DSA and decent development, then also apply, because who knows what will happen in interview, right? Luck is the major factor. So yeah, you have to simply apply, you have to fill your details, and yeah, this was the thing. Next is from the JP and JP Chase & Co. So they are hiring for the Python developer, and it is a full-time opportunity, and eligible batches are 2021 and 2022. And but one restriction is that you should have an engineering degree in computer science or related fields, but you should be from a tier 1 college. So yeah, they are having some restrictions. You should have a good knowledge of Python related frameworks and solid understanding of cloud application development process and principles. So basically they will be majorly working on development wala part, and you should have a good communication skill as well, and tier 1 college wala restriction is given, so we cannot do anything. And nothing much is written. So as it is a full-time opportunity, the 2021 and 2022 wala batches are eligible. So now let's move on to the next opportunity, that is from the Nokia. Nokia is hiring for the software developer, and it is again a full-time opportunity, not the internship. So let's see some criteria. So basically you will be working in the development part only, and what the major responsibilities are: design, test and execute integration, operation, development of security solution, requiring the knowledge in multiple technical areas, that is security, cloud. So you should have some knowledge of this part. But generally in interviews, like what are the things which are given in job description, those are not given. Those are for the working part, that is in which part you will be working. But interviews generally is fundamentals, CS fundamentals, DSA projects, these are the things only are asked, right? So yeah, and let's see the minimum requirements. So you should have a bachelor degree, and you should be from CS or electrical background. That is more preferable. Master, if you have a master degree, then it is a plus point, right? You should have 0 to 3 years of experience. So you can say that 2020, 2021, 2022, all the 3 batches can apply. It is a full-time opportunity. Good understanding of object-oriented design, Java, J2EE. So yeah, these are the skills which are required. And yeah, that's it about this. And yeah, so again, I'm repeating the batches. So eligible batches are 2020, 2021 and 2022. So yeah, these are the 4 opportunities for you all guys. I guess you have understood everything. All the links will be given in the description, so go and check it out and apply this, right? So yeah, let's see this in another video. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. बच्चों, आई होप आपको ये लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा। एक लास्ट इंफॉर्मेशन जो मैं आपके संग शेयर करना चाहता हूं, जो कि बहुत जरूरी है, दैट इज इंट्रोडक्शन टू न्यूटन स्कूल, जिनकी मदद से हम ये वीडियोस आप तक पहुंचा पा रहे हैं। न्यूटन स्कूल बेसिकली एक ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, जहां पर आपको इनके फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कोर्स में एनरोल करके आपकी ड्रीम जॉब्स प्लेसमेंट पा सकते हैं। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट यहाँ प्लेसमेंट लगने तक आपको कोई फीस नहीं देनी होगी। यहाँ पर आपको लाइव क्लासेस, इंडस्ट्री प्रोजेक्ट्स, मॉक इंटरव्यूज और पर्सनल मेंटरशिप जैसे अमेजिंग बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे। सो check out the link in the description to skyrocket your coding career with Newton School.